welcome back. This is actually a product review. I bought this earphone cleaning pen online that it comes with two sides. Okay, the other end is actually used to clean the earphone. So this pen or the nib here is a bit sharp that I actually clean out the grill on the right hand side earlier. So I'll show you what I'm doing on the left side. So there's a piece of paper with some alcohol on it. So I just wet the nib and then I'll go through each grill three times clockwise or counterclockwise. Okay, the main idea is to actually break loose all the dust, and then I'm going to use this bristle, press into the hole and rub against it up and down 3 times. It's more efficient up and down than left and right. Okay, and then the second round I'm going to do it again. I think roughly 60 or 70% of those dust gathered there has been removed already. When you go to the third round, I think you can see that it's all gone already. You see, I mean up and down. I mean tangential to the lateral surface of the phone. All the dust basically will be removed by this earphone cleaning pen. Okay, after 3 rounds only. So efficient. So I'll put the link in the description down there, so that if in case you want to buy one yourself, you can actually get it from the link. I'm going to zoom in. Let's see. Yes, well done, isn't it? So it is very cost effective and very easy to use it. I hope this video helps you, and remember to press the thumbs up button and share it with your friends, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.